filming legumes dancing by color or sorting corn and grains to collect and capture diverse seeds. This is fruit collector Jonas Fry. He photographs plants and seeds, revealing often overlooked beauty in life's tiny details. He arranges colorful corn seeds into visually striking group photos with a minimalist feel. Each seed in the photo is like a delicate brushstroke, weaving a symphony of life. Oddly shaped nuts form size sequences, each a natural work of art. Unique textures tell stories of time's passage and growth. Jonas Fry's studio houses over 600 seed varieties in glass tubes. Seeds rest in clear containers, like time capsules holding life's mysteries. Each tube is labeled, recording Jonas's years of exploring biodiversity.